Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Dollywood Section by Section. Can you guess what section we're doing today? Timber Canyon, that's what we're doing today. We're gonna go inspect all of Timber Canyon, the rides, the restaurants, the attractions, the shops, everything that there is to do here at Timber Canyon in Dollywood. You ready? Let's go do this. And we're actually gonna start up near the Mystery Mine and the Mystery Mine restrooms. Now, this is the closest restrooms to the Mystery Mine. The next closest restrooms are going to be all the way down at the Thunderhead. Also, if you need a fuel rod, they sell those right here at this Mystery Mine restrooms. And there is a first aid station right here as well. So like I said, we are starting up near the Mystery Mine. Mystery Mine is a roller coaster in Timber Canyon here at Dollywood. It does go upside down. That's a couple of 90-degree vertical drops. It's one of the few indoor-outdoor coasters. It's actually the only indoor-outdoor coaster in Dollywood. But it does go indoor, which a lot of the coasters here are not indoor coasters. The entrance to Wildwood Grove is also here in Timber Canyon. You go that way, you go to Wildwood Grove, but we're not going that way today. We're going to continue on this path. We're still over near the Mystery Mine. This is the Mystery Mine building. This is the queue for the Mystery Mine. And the entrance for the Mystery Mine is right down here. So this is the entrance for the Mystery Mine. Test seat right here at the beginning. There are some lockers here. You need to rent a locker. And then if you have the time saver line, it is actually over here. It is right here. This is the time saver line. So you'll actually kind of go in backwards. You can see here, time saver. Continuing on down the hill, wired up. Yes, ma'am. Nice to meet you. Well, thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah. All right, back to wired up. Rings, necklaces, bracelets. You can get all kinds of jewelry here. And they also have a gift shop here at the Mystery Mine. Hats, they've got jewelry across there as well. They also got stuff like Benadryl and Advil. They've got some drinks, some snacks, and of course t-shirts and hats and plushes and all the other Mystery Mine things that you could need. This is one of my new favorite t-shirts. Really like that t-shirt. Mystery Mine shirt. They also have bubble wands. Everybody needs a bubble wand. Currently there's a bubble show going on here at Dollywood, so if you don't want to buy the regular bubble wand, they sell bubble wands and bubble blower things over at the bubble show as well. Next up is the lumberjack lifts. So it's sort of an attraction, not really, I don't know, it's not a ride, I don't know what you call it. You basically pull yourself up to the top of this pole while it spins. It's an interesting attraction. You can see some people right up there. Moving on. Now, right here, there's several different things. You've got see the large tree right over there? That's the stump stage. There's actually a little stage there that they perform on. Usually a couple people performing there. Right here, you got Dippin' Dots and Icy, and you can get yourself a drink. And then there's a lot of tables right over here with some covered tables. And this is Lumberjack Pizza. If you're looking for a place to grab something to eat, good spot to do it. We'll take a little walk through the Lumberjack Pizza. Now currently here they have the Summer Celebration Margarita Pizza and the Watermelon Cucumber Salad. And they actually just remodeled this one this year. This used to be the like where you would pay and everything, but now they've kind of redone it. And you come in, you'll come over here, you'll grab your pizzas, garlic knots, festival items, or a salad. And then you're gonna come right out over here and pay for it. And then this, of course, opens up right into the seating area. And again, there's a little covered seating area right up there. And you've got fountain drinks right here. And after you get done with your pizza, you can walk right across and do the drop line. Try not to lose your pizza. This is the drop line. It is a spinning drop tower. There is a test seat here as well, right here. This is the test seat for it. But it goes all the way to the top and it spins. It's a real slow spin, but it does spin. It goes to the top of this pole. You'll be, once you get to the very top, you'll be up there for a few seconds, and then it's gonna release you and you're gonna fall all the way down here. We have two more attractions to cover here in this area, and both of them are roller coasters. One little one and one big one. Up first is the Whistle Punk Chaser. This is the little coaster we were talking about. This is the only real true kids coaster in Dollywood. As you can see, it currently has a fairly long line. But it does 3 times around on the little orange track right there. Good for small kids, good for small adults. If you're a bigger adult, you're not going to fit, I promise you. And the bigger coaster we were talking about is, well, the big coaster right there. But before we get to the big coaster, I gotta show you one other thing. Restrooms. Everybody needs to know where the restrooms are in Dollywood. These are the restrooms here. The Lumberjacks and the Lumberjills. It's on both sides. They just built brand new bathrooms here in this section. That's what this entire building is here. It is a brand new building. Added more bathrooms to this section. Now, let's go talk about that big coaster. Thunderhead. It's the one true wooden roller coaster here in the park. To me, you feel the speed more on this particular roller coaster than you do any other coaster in the park. It used to be really, really rough, but they retracted about 3 or 4 years ago, and it has gotten much, much, much better. Much better. This is the regular entrance as it goes rolling by. This is the time saver entrance, and this is where you get your pictures. Now that is the end of the attractions, the shops, the restrooms, the restaurants. That's the end of all that for Timber Canyon. But we're not done with our tour yet. We're not done. Hang on. Hang on. Wait a minute. We're not done yet. We got some walking to do. So here in Timber Canyon, you've got a lot of good photo op things, including all this lovely stuff that you see right over here, like the wagon. But you also have this fancy little graveyard. Now, during different parts of the seasons and years, this is going to change. Like during the fall, it's sort of a pumpkin disco graveyard. You also have the free showers, and yes, they do work. Here's more of the graveyard. But we're not done yet. One of the most famous photo ops at Dollywood is the casket, and it's right there. See? Now, as we cross under the train trestle, heading down the hill. Now the way that we're we're doing this, we did this backwards from the way that you may be coming into the park. A lot of people come up this way to start their day, but this will basically empty us out right at the very front of the park. Again, more photo ops. A lot of the photo ops in this section will change throughout the season as well, especially during Harvest Festival. They'll put a lot of pumpkins and pumpkin sculptures and things like that up in this section as well. Another photo op. And the start or the finish of Timber Canyon. And that's it. That's Timber Canyon. That's all of it. You saw it all. Every bit of it. Almost every inch of it. So, hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. We'll do another section again sometime soon. Waiting on Night Flight Expedition to open at Wildwood before I do it. So, anywho, hope you enjoyed the video. I enjoyed making it. Remember, life's hard enough. Keep it amusing. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.